Alright guys, today we have something new and exciting. I'm so excited for this actually. uh, I ordered the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7 speaker. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of this one. This is my order actually. So I'm going to unbox this package. I'm so excited. I was waiting for this actually. So let's unbox this one and then let's see what's inside. The weight of this one is almost 10 kilograms. Man, that's quite a lot. But yeah, let's keep unboxing this, guys. Man, I'm really excited. You know, this Onyx Studio, I was having a dream to buy this type of a speaker for a long time and I was like hesitating. And yeah, finally I made it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy, man. Right, let's see what's inside. This is my first Harman Kardon unboxing experience. Right. Oh my god. This looks amazing, guys. Oh my god. So actually I have ordered two, actually one from one of my friends. This is the other one. So I'm taking this one. There we go, mates. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. Design Award 2021, Red Dot winner 2021. The Onyx Studio 7 by Harman Kardon. Right. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to use my bed to unbox this one because it's quite a little bit bigger, so we need a little bit space to do that. So let's go, guys. I'm so much excited for this. All right, let's go and unbox. Okay, from here everything is sealed, nice and sweet. Right, there was a cyber deal on one of our shops named Cyberport in Germany. So in there I got this offer. I got this for really cheap price. And let's see now. You see the box, man, I love this. Alright, let's open up. There you go. We have nicely Harman Kardon name embedded on it, on this, and yeah, open this up. Right, here we go. We have the charging cable, I guess, and here some kind of, yeah, I think this is the documentation for the speaker, some kind of stuff. Let's go into this later on. Okay, first let's see what's inside. Here we have something. Okay, this is how we open this one. So here how do we open this? Okay, from here, like where? Okay, you have to take this off. Then from here, oh, you gotta open this box first. Then okay, from this way. Yeah. That's how we open this. Here we are having this power cable and the power adapter. So yeah, and inside there, there's nothing, I guess. Let's go see what's inside. Yeah, this is the item, and here this is the safety packaging, and guys, this is the speaker. Let me unwrap this one. Unboxing is done. It's unwrapping time. Oh my, darn, this is heavy. See what's inside, guys. I'm sorry about my too much excitement, but I got a oh my, look at this, how beautiful this is. I'm going to take this and keep it on the desk, you know, so it'll look nice. So I'm gonna close this box now and keep it for my friend. He also was waiting for this one actually. Yeah, okay, this, and now I'm taking this, and man, look at this. Looks sexy, isn't it? Yeah. All right, then now it's time to turn this on and see how the things go on. Well, let me power this on. Oh, do we have to read the instruction book first? Let's read this, guys. All right. Let's start reading this. Let's see what's inside first. Okay. There we go. The beautiful book of Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. Quick start guide. English. Before using this product, read the safety carefully. Alright. Code power. Right. Plug-in type. How to start. Press the power button. Low battery charging is complete. Okay. Reboot, hold to 10 seconds. Power. So I think it's better I power this up, no? Alright, let's power this up, guys. Take this one out. Okay, ready? And I'm opening this right first and taking this out. Yeah, there we go. We have to connect it to over here. You can see this, right? Okay guys, so I'm going to connect this one to over here so you guys can see. I need to hold the phone, right? This adapter also feels like metal. Okay, it's connected from here. Now I'm connecting this to AC mains. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm connecting to power. Connected. Okay, when it's charging, it just show this red color. And now let's turn this on, guys. Wow, you heard that sound, right? I don't have a phone to actually pair this properly, so I'm going to use my iPod in order to pair this one. Let's go, guys. Yeah, and Bluetooth on. Yeah, not pair. Onyx Studio 7 I'm pairing. Let's see. The sounds are awesome, no? And let's see the volume. Okay, it's responsive to the volume as well. Now let's go for some music. Songs. I really want to play something open, like free copyright music or something. Let's play something like that. Otherwise, this was, I think, free something. No. This is Film Trap Nation. Cartoon, why Villa? Yeah, okay. This is.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
You know this music. We can't play this music because of copyright issues actually. Okay, this is a good music. Open. Alright. Now you guys see the volume is up to this much still. Here. Guys, the bass is awesome. When you come back, guys, like you feel the bass. Like this one have two tweeters over here, one passive radiator, and this is the woofer over here. So it comes like this, man. This looks pretty awesome, man. So I'm so happy with this shape, and this is it, guys. Like I don't need to tell you about the sound quality of this one. And like obviously I have this Bose with me, and this also fine, like really good for its size and everything. Now I got the Harman Kardon, so this one is good for like home usage, and this one is good for like outdoor. You can put it in the pocket and much convenient. So guys, now this is it. If you have any problem with this speaker pairing issues or anything, I'll let you like you can let me know in the comment section. I think for this one they might have a proprietary application for this one, I guess. Let's see if they have. So I think no, maybe. Anyhow, I believe it is have the aux cable as well. We can connect to the aux, and there's a service cable. Okay, you can connect to service as well. There's no application, I guess, so it's universal. You can connect to anywhere. See, they have rated power 50 RMRS. AC mode is 50 watts, and if you disconnect the power, it should be less power, like battery charge time 5 hours, makes you play up to 8 hours. So weight is 3.2 kilograms. Okay, I don't want to increase the volume, to be honest, because I'm afraid about the neighbors and everyone. I think you can't use the full volume when you using on the battery, but if you use power, you can use the full volume out of this. This is basically home speaker, and if you're going for a trip or something, you can definitely take this with you. And yeah, that's it. So guys, you see, this is how it is on the when we remove the cover. See, one tweeter, two tweeter, passive radiator, and the woofer. See, 8 hours of playtime, superior stereo performance. You can connect with another Harman Kardon Onyx Studio. And guys, this is it. And if you have any problem or any doubt regarding this, let me know. And especially currently also, if you can buy this in Amazon around 150 euros. Such a good deal. This size, guys. I bought this one for 130 euros or something, 130 something euros. This is Bose, by the way. This is Harman Kardon from JBL, obviously you know that. But I prefer Harman Kardon signature rather than JBL. So I bought this one. Yeah, if you have any doubt or problem, let me know, guys. I'll try to help at my best. Okay, then have a nice one. Peace out.